Welcome back, guys, Crypto4Life channel. In this video about altcoins, I want to talk about a Ton ecosystem, including the Ton token. Let's dive in. So guys, let's start with the Ton. What's going on now with this token? And you will be once again impressed, but this is the same FEEP, same levels, absolutely everything the same. Since the first video about Ton, I guess, in 2023. So this is a monthly time frame, and you remember this fee because this is on a Gate.io. So this was a top, this was support. On the weekly time frame, we mark that levels. Top, support, consolidation, 27 zone, retest, and take a look how the Ton all the time respect the level. So here, 1, 2, like support or resistance, 3, 4, after that, 5. So we pump it to new all-time high over the 1.61 level fee. Around here, everybody is screaming about the Ton ecosystem, the meme sector, hype it with the Notcoin, with the dogs, Kison, Hamster, and all of that stuff. After that, we leave the echo lows and we grab that liquidity of that, guys, and take a look where we stop. So the FEEP absolutely market in 2023 and irrelevant. Still relevant. So why the price react exactly at this level? Because I repeat it again, everything what you see on the chart is just a basic algorithm, and it's not retail trades. We're not trades against each other. So we all just retails, me and you, trade against the market makers bots, the soft, which deliver the price faster or slower to the right target, which they probably the market before. So it's my theory, and basically you can track a lot of tokens which trade, on exchanges, and you can open the seconds charts. Here, let's check. So here, 5-second chart. So do you really believe all people around the world now 24/7 trade the Ton on all exchanges, right? And we trade like $3.64 and $3.64.9 in this range. Every single candle, it's a 5-second. So it's just retail. So we can't drop the price like this one, lower or higher. So no, the price move exactly in the right direction, to build the patterns. So, without a market makers, there will be the house around. That's why it's just bots. So that's why we formed the test of 38 level by FEEP, $2.95, and here it's 0.38 level by FEEP, and we close the monthly gap. Should we drop lower? Basically, it's no make sense. Right? But if we will, the next step is going to be $2.51, $1.79, $1.25, and 97 cents. So this is the way. And once again, guys, never say never, because here people screaming we go into the moon because of, and many reasons why the Ton ecosystem is the future and all of that stuff. After that, we'll end it. So next step for Ton, I don't think so. The $8.26, it's a top of the top for this token. I truly believe we will see at least one more leg up on altcoins. Again, not all altcoins will form the new all-time highs, right? But I think Ton will. So the next target is $9.75 and $12.80. I'm not sure about the $12.80 because most likely at $10, a lot of people will put the limit orders to sell, and I'm not sure they will put the price exactly to the $10. So maybe they will stop at $9.75, and that people still lose the money with unrealized profit. So that's it, guys. Monthly time frame looks pretty okay. But once again, why this cycle is pretty bad, we wasted the time. We waste a lot of time with the altcoins. But of course, guys, it was not a mistake accumulating 27 zone, fix the profit at $8, at $6.71, it's not a mistake. Should you buy the Ton token now? Guys, it's only up to you. Personally, I have zero interest in a token like ecosystem, right? I truly believe in Telegram, like application, like service, like social app, but I totally don't care about the Ton ecosystem like tokens. So all of that games, you know, with the launch, it's just the same story like a play to earn game or like meme tokens. So nothing special. But the Ton, I mean the Telegram, it's really, really good. And I think that Ton, if they, for example, integrate in the future something like, you know, video services similar to the YouTube with rewards in Ton, it's going to be the game changer. So it's just my humble opinion. Or maybe somebody create a new application based on a Ton with a token for video streams. Maybe it already exists. So this is a targets relevant, and this is my take for all-time high again. Let's check with the indicator SAR. What's going on now? All this time period, it was a distribution area. Now we're just in the middle. So yes, of course, if we crash it down again, all zones, you know, direction we over the middle line. So basically, it's not a crazy bullish time to buy, but yes, we got a chance to bounce again higher. Here was a money outflow on the monthly. So guys, it's all the time, it's a really bearish signal. When we see the monthly money outflow, it can't be the bullish signal. Market mode, it's apria, it's monthly. Take a look the direction here. We formed the pure divergency. That's why we can form another divergency. This is what I would like to see, guys. I would like to see something like this one. Something like this one. Form the biggest divergency ever on weekly time frame since December 2022. This one hit this high, and it's going to be the pure divergency on a weekly time frame, 3 years divergency, right? And direction, we'll see again the signals to close opposition. And now we got like local money inflow, 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row. Money inflow for the last, maybe not, pump higher. And take a look how the sentiment changed on the market, because on the weekly here, last time when we trade in capitulation zone, we've been here. It was the $1.17, and now it's $3.64, and the same mood on the market. So it's good. It gives us the chance to put the price higher. So trade on take profit. This is what I don't like. I don't like we didn't test a buy line. $2.77, it's a buy line. Of course, it's not necessary, so we should test it, but just in case on a weekly time frame. Here was the signals to sell, a recommendation buy back. From the last buyback signal here, we bounce it like even higher, at least this one, 33%. Pretty good one. Daily time frame. Of course, this is a sell, drop, close position, test of 38 low by FIB. Now we can retest again. It's going to be the good signal if we're going to retest that $3.31, 0.5 low by FIB, and start recover back. If not, yes, you know, we can retest the weekly buy line. So just in case, guys. 12 time frame, yes, this is one. The test of the buy line again is $3.11. But anyway, we will see. We'll see. Now it's hard to say. Everything depends on BTC now. So this is what about a ton. Let's check the Notcoin. Oh, guys, it's a long story short. You remember I shared the video about a ton after leasing. So it was a initiation accumulation pump model. We tracked that token since the May 2024. It's a daily time frame. The FIB absolutely relevant. All this time period, the people scream it. We never reach your zone of interest. Guys, take a look. We dump it like crazy and stop it exactly at the best zone of interest. So if you waited all of that time period, you made a right decision and you saved a lot of nerves, a lot of money, and at least at this bounce from that zone with a limit order, you could fix a 68% profit on the spot. on a daily. So once again, guys, never say never. So if some zones market, it's the same story was with Celestia. When the people screaming at $20, we never come back to I don't know, $3 again. You spread a thought. You just missed the train because you're jealous. So guys, it's just a technical side of the charts. We can't know when, but we can know where the price will drop sooner or later. It's just a matter of time. The same story with ICP. The people at all pump, they when you post some bearish, not like crazy bearish targets, but when you share the targets for correction, people complain and I don't know, scream at you, how even possible to you talk so bearish about this token? People so emotionally react on the price chart movements. They fall in love in some tokens and argue on every single bad news. But when the token pump, it's organic move. Because it's a fundamental, the tech, the hype, the marketing and all of that stuff, because of community. But when we dump, it's a manipulation. Guys, it's a double standard. So we stop at a zone of interest, this one. So based on this plan, if you believe in the Notcoin, it's hard to, of course, believe in the random top game. But anyway, if you believe in this project, if you believe in this asset like a speculation, and you add your limit order here, after 100%, you can withdraw initial deposit. So it means at 0.205. After that, leave free tokens, fix some profit here after 321%, and at least wait the sweep of this liquidity pool, 720. If you believe in new all-time high from that zone, it will be 1,500% gains. And imagine when you will be in profit like 1,000%, some of that people will be just at a break even. So I'm not sure about a new all-time high, but if something happened inside a ton ecosystem, some new hype, new partnership, just money inflow into that sector, I truly believe that at least we can sweep that liquidity pool, the K1, and maybe even this one. If we will see the new all-time high, it's good. Where we will stop, now it's hard to say. But guys, keep in mind, go and check the circulation supply to multiply the potential market capitalization when you think we go into $1 or $2 or so. So just in case. But when the people see the tokens with a lot of zeros, with 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 5 zeros, all the time, one price trigger, $1. When $1, when $1. So it's like a mantra. I don't know how the people count even in theory the price targets. It is a direction market mood. Finally, now it's in accumulation zone, but not in crazy accumulation. Direction, we at the bottom, this one, without a signals to buy. Daily time frame, this is accumulation. This is accumulation, this is accumulation. So now, only now, in zone of interest, it's okay from this area, 0.2041, start use DCA strategy. So if you buy in here and buy in here, your average entry around this current price. So it's okay. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course. Can we invalidate the idea and dump under listing price? Yes, of course, guys. Everything possible. We just work with the proper risk management, with idea and a zone of interest. We can't control the market. We can only control our size of position, work with the zones where personally for us it's comfortable price to buy some token, and that's it. Nothing more. And this is a total disbelief capitulation on a daily, but not on the weekly. All right. Let's check on trade on money power. Daily, of course, it's accumulation. More interest, it's weekly. No signal to buy, but at least 2 weeks in a row it was a money inflow. It's a good one. It's a good one. Last indicator is take profit. Take a look. There is no data on the weekly. Daily. we trade under Femoral value. It's good. So here, when we trade around the buy line, it's good for swing trades, fix a profit at the take profit line. Now we trade under Femoral value. So it would be good to see we hold the line and start climbing up to the 0.208 at least. Exit line 0.209. So after 100%, it's not a shame to fix the profit, guys, to withdraw initial deposit. So the fundamental value of this token now, it's again 0.2022. We trade now around the buy line and take profit at 0.2059. So that's it, guys. All targets, all levels, you can track. Just go to free Telegram channel. All information always for free and will be always for free. Find the first video about a ton, about Notcoin, and just track the zones, so you will understand the logic. So on the charts, guys, especially on the crypto, it's more about the logic. So if I could be the market maker, where I will pump this token, or where I will stop the downtrend by timing or by levels, So it's about the logic. So you can track it and use the indentation accumulation pump model. It's totally for free. What to do if the model invalidated and we dump on the listing price? You can check the video about a Starknet and understand what to do if some of your token based on this model invalidate the idea. Also, guys, I recommend you to use the bigger charts, because take a look. This is a docs on the BitGet. I would like to show you an example why we need to use the lowest price, or at least in average between the exchanges. Because take a look, this is a docs listing on BitGet 0.4018, but on the Binance it looks like this one. So we already a long time ago invalidate the idea. So on the Binance it was 0.3054, so cut 10 and add the 5. So it's kind of weird, right? That's why on the Binance it's like invalidated idea, but on the BitGet, not yet. So that's the point. And I don't know why the big differences between the listing prices when they list the token the same day. For me, it's a question without an answer. Why you list the token with different prices? ADZ, it's a hard accumulation now. So it's a good one. So at least, guys, when we see some hard accumulation like this one on direction, at least it can be the, maybe not easy, but 100% profit. It means don't be so greedy. Just withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and sleep well, so zero risk. This is a lowest point on ADZ. So it's accumulation. It's good. So sooner or later, anyway, I think the tokens will bounce. Targets, so this is a zone where we need to fix a profit. This one. So this is a zone of fixation profit, 100% withdraw initial deposit, fix a profit, and sleep well. And of course, the new all-time high is the next target for all of these tokens. Market mood, money power. This total capitulation. Nobody believe in these dogs here. Money inflow step by step, but no capitulation on the market mode. Anyway, sooner or later, we will see that capitulation. Trade on, take profit. Trade on, no data. Here is buy, bounce, so it's a daily time frame. Buy, bounce, buy, small bounce. We trade under Femoral value. It's good for time for accumulation. Take profit line, it's 0.3063. This one. Exit line 0.3072. So this is targets where you need to withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. Pretty simple. 12 time frame, take a look. We trade also around the fundamental value of this token. So it would be good to hold the line here and start climbing up. Of course, we can drop on even the BitGet listing price, but just in case. Now, it's much better risk-reward because based on initiation accumulation pump model, we are now around or even under the last zone of interest. So that's it, guys. So for docs, all targets, you knew it before, after listing. Kison, absolutely the same fee, the same levels here. The people once again complain, so no, we never dropped to the one of your zone of interest. We landed to both of them. So here we drop it down after this level. You could fix once again 100% profit withdraw initial deposit. You got a free tokens. We drop it down to the best zone to buy. You buying the same amount or even more tokens, and you got a pretty good average entry and the free tokens. So that's it. So the target's absolutely relevant in validation of idea. You know the fixed local swing trade zones. You know, so there is nothing new, guys. Everything. If you watch at my previous videos in the first video, because I tried to give my best and posted the videos on the next day after listing. We need just one single daily candle close to understand where the market makers bots and the soft will deliver the price after that day. So it's programmed before. So believe you or not, it's not random. And take a look, this is ADZ accumulation. We formed the awareness on a daily, even the bigger one. Finally, here's the accumulation on direction. This is a capitulation on the market mode. On the daily, everything looks okay. Weekly time frame, direction, no data, ADZ in crazy accumulation. But the bad case scenario, guys, if we drop lower because we can form a divergence on ADZ on the weekly. Anyway, we can't control the market. Take a look the money power. Here is the money info. So yes, by the way, the Kison posts some updates, I guess, or some partnership. I need to check on Twitter. So sooner or later, anyway, I think the Kison will bounce. Because now we lay down at the bottom, so this is not a time to out of that token and capitulate. No, it's a fear in the market, and it's a time for risky accumulation. Trade on, take profit. No data on the weekly. Daily, it was the last signal to buy. Now we hold the line at 86 level by FIB. So once again, guys, we got reasons. We trade inside the last accumulation zone, the best one, based on annotation accumulation pump more. You saw the capitulation on daily. We saw the accumulation on direction. We saw the signal to buy here. We retest almost at the same signal where we get a signal to buy. We trade under fundamental value of the token. So now risk rewards give us the chance to buy this token for potential 200% gains to the take profit line on the spot. 12-hour time frame. This is we try hold the line at the buy line. At least we can fix here 106% profit. From that area, if you buy in here, it can be 118% profit. Risk, we can drop lower to the fundamental value again, test, and invalidate the idea in general. But we can't know. We can't know in a moment how low we can drop. If you believe in Kison for long run, here's a fixed local swing trade zones, new all-time high. Everything you know before. X Empire. Guys, absolutely the same FIB, nothing special happened. Here. We almost tested that level till penny. So here, it was the, I shared that video around here. So here in October, November 2024, we tested. I'm not a fan of this type of tokens because it's just a pure pump and dump. Just faster than the slow scam from tech projects. So this is pretty fast. But we can't call it a scam. Here, if you accumulate it here, you could fix a profit 1,600% gains. And it's stupid. Scream it here. We go into the moon. Time to accumulation is here. This is a time for distribution because we are going over the all-time high, and this is a time to distribute coin. But why the people scream we're going to the moon? Because the token was a few zeros. Even after 1,600% gains, the token traded 0.4049, 3049, and the people scream we're going to the moon because they see the zeros. So we got 1 0. We definitely cut 1 0, cut 2 zeros, and I will be the millionaire because now I invest $100, and I want to be the millionaire with $100. So guys, it's not easy money. That's the point, and we landed again to the first zone of interest. To buy this token now or not, I'm not a fan of this token at all. So even for me personally, guys, the cat and the dogs even looks better than this one. But if you believe in this one, of course you can buy. I'm not a fan of this type of influencer tokens. So this is zone of interest. At least the same story like with not. Just compare the charts. Here, daily. Just longer, just a little bit longer. The same story. So here's a liquidity pool. 0.3033. It can be the logical bounce, and here will be the okay time to out of this token. If you believe in new all-time high, you can accumulate and wait that targets. But guys, once again, after 100% profit, it's never a mistake. Withdraw your initial deposit. Can this token be delisted from exchanges? Yes, of course, like any other tokens. ADZ direction. Here's accumulation. Here's still a free on a market mood. Direction, no data. Take a look, trade on money power. It's kind of weird because we on the middle line, but without any money inflow on the weekly. It's kind of weird. Money inflow on money power on daily. Yeah, step by step, like local daily trades. It's good one here. Trade on the daily. Here's a buy, bounce. Here was signal to sell. Buy. So maybe up to your own risk reward, guys. Risk management to accumulate this token or not. Take profit. Now a lot of tokens in a good condition. We trade on the fundamental value. It's a good one. Take profit is 0.3019. So this is definitely the time when we need to fix a profit. So highly recommend you guys. Once again, find the first video about the X Empire around here, and understand the logic. So all levels, even here, it was November 2024, and now February 2025, all levels relevant. So you just understand the logic, and you can use that logic for the next tokens. Hamster, the same story. I don't know why on other exchanges it's already invalidated idea for Hamster. On the Binance, still relevant. We trade on the best zone to buy. This is an invalidation of idea. This is a okay zone to buy, and this is a zone where we need to fix a profit. So highly recommend you guys first check the first video. So once again, the strategy at this area, you need to fix a profit with potential risk, invalidate that idea. Got it. And here it's going to be from this current prices can be 400% on a spot. Hamster also introduced some updates. So I think this spring a lot of altcoins introduced some crazy upgrades. Take a look how we work hard on something. But guys, it's just a pure speculation. With that work or without, anyway, the market maker will deliver the price to the right target, to the right moment, in the right time. It's just manipulation by human mind. ADZ. Here's accumulation without the warranty. So we can form the warranty on a daily. Weekly time frame, I guess. Yes, it's accumulation, market mood, euphoria, direction on a daily, some accumulation, capitulation on the market mood. So almost all of these tokens look similar by data, because all market looks almost identical. Here's a local daily buy signals. Here's a money inflow. So you could track everything by yourself, we'll lay down at the bottom on money power on weekly time frame, but without a money inflow. At least it's much better now time to buy this token than a few months ago. Take profit on the weekly, no data, daily time frame. We traded on the female volume. Buy line, it's 0.2019. Take profit line 0.2039. Exit line 0.2044. So guys, all targets you know before. 12 time frame, fundamental value of this hamster is 0.2012. Take profit 0.2032. So that's it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your targets for TON. What is the future do you see for TON ecosystem in general? And you can write in the comments which next ecosystem to analyze. If you would like to trade with my custom reseller what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.